How to flush DNS cache on your Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily flush or clear out all of your DNS cache on your Windows. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So let's get right into it. The first thing that you need to do is head over to your search bar and search for CMD. And once your command prompt pops up, you just have to right click on it and run as administrator. So just do that. And from here, click on yes, and your command prompt will open. So once your command prompt is open, you will need to type in this command right here, ipconfig /flush DNS. You can find it on the description down below. Now what you need to do is hit enter after entering the command, and as you can see, it has successfully flushed the DNS resolvable cache. Once you do that, to fully take place, you need to restart your computer like this, and once you restart it, you should be good to go. A bonus tip is if you're facing network problems, then it is best that you reset your network. In that case, what you need to do is open up your settings first, and from here click on network and internet, scroll all the way to the bottom, advanced network settings, and from here you have an option to network reset. Click on it and click on reset now, and once you reset your network, just restart your PC and you should be good to go. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.